I have taken 5 zucchinis and washed them properly. Take 3 potatoes, peel them and cut them into chunks. Take 1 large onion and dice it so that it will be half cup of diced onions. Peel the zucchinis and cut them into chunks. Take a mortar and pestle, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and 1 tablespoon of water and grind them to a smooth paste. Take 3 green chilies and blend. Take a pan and splash some oil. Add 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, 1 bay leaf. Saute until fragrant. Add the diced onion. Saute until translucent. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well. Add 1 cup of hot water gradually. Cover and cook for 5 minutes at medium heat. Looks like the gravy is cooked. Now add the green chili paste. Add the poppy seed paste. Add salt taste-wise. Add half cup of hot water. Cover and cook for 3 minutes at medium heat. Add the potatoes. Add the zucchini chunks. Mix well. Add half cup of hot water. Cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes at medium heat. Add 4 slit green chilies for flavor. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes at low heat. Ooh, looks like it's ready. Enjoy the Posto diye zucchini potato with your choice of rice or paratha.